Episode 16, First Eukaryotic Cells. Welcome to class. Oxygen had changed the atmosphere, but its greatest impact was still unfolding at the microscopic level. Around 1.8 billion years ago, a new kind of cell appeared. Until this point, all life on Earth had been prokaryotic, simple cells without a nucleus. Their DNA floated freely inside the cell. They were small, efficient, and structurally basic. Then something extraordinary happened. One cell engulfed another, and instead of digesting it, the two formed a partnership. This process, known as endosymbiosis, led to the first eukaryotic cells. Inside these new cells were specialized structures called organelles. Most importantly, mitochondria, tiny power stations that generate energy using oxygen. In plants and algae, another organelle evolved, chloroplasts, which perform photosynthesis. The evidence is written in biology itself. Mitochondria and chloroplasts have their own DNA, separate from the cell's main genetic material, a clue that they were once independent organisms. Eukaryotic cells were larger and more complex than anything before them. They had internal compartments. They could control their genetic material more precisely. They could build specialized structures. And because oxygen-based respiration produces far more energy than earlier metabolic pathways, these cells had access to a much larger energy budget. Energy is the foundation of complexity. With more energy available, life could experiment with size, structure, and specialization. For more than 1 billion years, life had been microbial and simple. Now, a new cellular architecture had emerged. And from these complex cells, every plant, animal, fungus, and human being would eventually descend. Class dismissed.